This is Arnie Waters at Waters Capital in Boston. You know, there's been a lot of stuff in the media over the last 30 days or so about how much money you will have made in the stock market. Here's a test. I want you to look at your own portfolio and see if you're up 10 or 12%. Part of our view is that this statement that the market is up simply refers to the action of the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones. So if you don't own those stocks, you haven't made any money. Indeed, the chances are quite great that if you look at the value of your 401k, your retirement account, or your regular investment account, it's probably less than it was 12 months ago. So we've got to avoid being taken in by the propaganda machine that says that the stock market had a great year last year. Let's remember, if you don't have more money in your accounts, the stock market didn't have a great year last year. So the point I'm trying to make is that the stock market is now moving in two general areas. One is a general area that is dominated by institutions, pension funds, endowments, giant hedge funds, things of this type. Some of those portfolios indeed have been very successful, but if you're not part of the in crowd that owns some of those portfolios, the chances are you're not having a great deal of success, which brings us to the second point. A lot of the information that is used to generate those profits is not available to the general public. Now, that's not saying that there's insider trading or anything like that. That's just saying there's a difference between people who do things 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and people who look at things once a month or so. So we want to encourage those of you who actually want to make some money for yourselves to look at some of our portfolios, because our managed accounts have had a great year and all of our action is transparent. In other words, you can see what we're doing. So even if you don't want to give us money, shame, you can mirror our performance. I want to talk a little bit about MCP, about Molycorp, our rare earth pick. We've been on Molycorp since it was in the low to mid-20s, and we've told you to buy the stock. Now, we thought it would hesitate a little bit around 45, 48. Well, obviously, that's not the case. And now the momentum players are getting in. We could easily see Molycorp trading north of $75. So our target has been raised to 75. So if you think you'd like to actually make some money this year, then load up on Molycorp, get involved. If you don't want to buy the stock, buy some options for April or May expiration, and enjoy the ride. This is Arnie Waters. Aim for the ice flows, not the open water. Have a great day.